So I've got a 2013 Raptor that I've had to put a motor in. Actually, the Ford dealer put it in, I didn't. There's videos on that if you want to check those out. About 2 weeks after I got it back, the check engine light will come on and off intermittently. I've pulled the codes on it, and it said small evap leak and a catalytic converter code. So, get on the internet like everybody does, check it out, see what's what. They're saying that you can get an intermittent cat code if it has a bad canister purge valve, and also to clean the where you put your gas in. They don't have a gas cap. So I cleaned that out, and now I'm going to go see if this purge valve is bad. So let's go check that out and see what's what. Alright, so that purge valve is located down in there. You can see these two little shiny bolts right here, there and there. Well, that thing is the purge valve. So let's take it out. First thing, there's a plug right there. So I'm gonna get that unplugged and I'll come back in. So I got that unplugged. Now we need to take, this is kind of tight, so the filming might be a little rough. That's an 8mm. And that should pull out. There's a little O-ring that holds it, which is right there. And there is a clip on the back side that I need to get off so I can unplug it. So let me do that and I'll come back in. Every video I've seen, they don't tell you how to get this little clip up. So you stick a screwdriver here, and there's two little tabs up underneath here that you push in, and this little white thing will pop up. Some are white, some are green, then it just pulls right off. Here it is all unhooked. I think I'm gonna blow in it and see if it works. See, that shouldn't do that. Here's the new part and the old part. Old one I put the little rubber dude on. It was on here. Anyway, so I could blow through this, and if I thump on it, then it shuts. It's not supposed to do that. It's supposed to be shut until the electrical triggers it, then you're good. Part number is right, if that'll focus, right there. And yeah, let's go put it back on. New valve right here. It needs to go in that little hole. First thing we got to do is get that little pipe in that white thing there. So it's kind of in and kind of not. There it goes. Then there's a little hole where that O-ring is. It just pops in there, like so. And this guy should be all the way up. Just pop that back down. That locks it. And a couple of screws, and we should be good. Now I'll just tighten her up. And that should be it. Oh, we got to plug the wire back in, which is just right here. It fell down below here. And that's it. All right, let's see if it runs. Well, it runs. And that's how I changed the canister evap purge valve on my 2013 Raptor. Thanks for watching.